Hello, I'm Piyush Dave, a fintech professional, and today I'm going to share one more algo strategy that's called Stepwise Adaptive Runner. It's a continuous buy version. You can create a continuous buy version or a continuous sell version, but I always think of buying and selling the concept because I always think of playing a bullish market, so that's why my strategies always work with the concept of buy version. But you can also create the same version with this logic on a sell side also. Okay. So the start capital of the requirement is 1 lakh rupees. You can start with small capital also. We will start with 0 shares. And in every 10 seconds, we are going to add 1 share. Even if the price go up, we will buy 1 share. And even if the price go down, we will buy 1 share. Okay, it's a cycle of 15 steps. So this strategy will work for 150 seconds. And multiple time we can run this strategy throughout the day. Okay. So first part is continuous buy cycle. We are step number 1. So we'll buy 1 share every 10 seconds. So after 15 steps, we will have the 15 shares with us when we reach to 150 second of the cycle start. Now, if the price is rise, we are happy. But if the price is fall of the average after 15 step, we will book the loss. Okay, you hear me correctly. If the total price of the share is in a loss, we will stop trading after 15 steps. And if there is a profit after 15 step, that means you have bought one on 1000, 1005, 1010, and then again suppose your share is trading at 1030, then we are in profit for sure. So what we will do, suppose out of 15 steps, your 9 steps are profitable. So we will divide this 9 step with 2. We will make a step as absolute value for sure. So 4 steps we are going to take. Okay. So 4.5 step we cannot take. So we will take 4 step. Now again we will run instead of 15, we will run only 4 steps. If 4 of the steps are wrong, then we will stop trading. And if number of steps in these 4 steps are positive, then we will play this again. Or if these 4 steps are wrong, still we have 5 steps correct, that's a profitable. So we can stop our strategy and we can book the profit. But this play can continue if the number of steps which you have taken 4 steps made a profit. Let's consider that 3 steps have made a profit out of 4. So now we will only play for the 3. Again 3 divided by 2. So now we will play only for 1 step for 10 seconds. Okay. So the logic is of this algo, we will first take 15 steps. If 15 steps is in loss, we will stop. We will rethink and think of whether to run this strategy or not to run this strategy, because this is a buy version strategy. If the market is trending into the negative side, then this is going to make a loss for sure. So first we will run this for a while. After some indication that market is in a bullish trend, if it make a profit, then we will go for dividing the steps. So we will try to find out how many steps in the profit. Suppose for consideration of a calculation, I have taken 9 step as a profit out of 15. So now we will not run for complete 15 steps. We will run for only 9 steps. So 9 divided by 2. If these 4 steps go wrong, we will stop. Still we have almost 5 steps remain as a profitable. But if these 4 steps are also profitable, or we consider like hypothesis is 3 steps out of 4 is profitable, then we only play for this 3 divided by 2, only 1 step. So the 1 step of buying 1 share, and after 10 seconds, we will stop. You can make it like I have taken 15 step, you can might take 30 step, or I have taken for a 10 second, you can take for more 50-second and backtest the strategy. So the logic is very simple. One share bought every 10 seconds. Evaluate the profit or loss after 15 steps. If it's profitable, then we will divide the number of profit step by 2. If loss, we will immediately stop. We will rethink whether it is working right or wrong. Then we will start this algo again. You can do it multiple time and test your strategy. Okay, so this will basically stop naturally due to loss. So we will have the minimum loss at this step. Now this can be worse if market is falling sharply. Okay, if market is falling very sharply, then there will be a problem, but it happens very less in the market. Like in 150-second, there will be a huge crash. It happened very less time in the market. So that's why this can work in a very beautiful way. Okay, now let me show you the actual working. So what I have done, I have made a code. One is for exchange. So this will going to change the price continuously. Okay, so this is my exchange which change the price. Let me show you how it works. So it start with one price and it continuously keep on changing the price, like there's a change in exchange. Okay, so I have made it a price change randomize so that we can test our strategy. Okay, now on a algo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the same step what is been prepared over here. Let me show you the graph also, so you'll understand it more better way. What we are going to take, we are going to run a stepwise adaptive runner. Step number 1, continuous buy cycle, one share every 10 seconds, 15 step. If portfolio is in loss, yes, then we will stop. If portfolio is not in a loss, then we will go for a profit extension cycle. That basically called as a run your profit logic. But we will not take the much risk. We will divide it by half of the profit steps. If there is a loss, then we will stop. If there is a profit into the number of steps, again we will continue the same previous step. Okay, now we are going to do this into the code. So now this is my algo which I have written into Python. And now this is going to fire the logic to the change of price of this. Okay, now let me run this. Now it has already become a bullish. So you can see, check out this. Continues the price is going up. Okay. Okay, let me run this. Okay. Okay, I take this over here. Now it's head starting with first cycle. So we are going to take first step. Okay, we have taken one share. In every 10 seconds, we are going to buy one share for sure. So the strategy is with one. Okay, second share has been bought at 1023.50. After every 10 seconds, whether price is going up or down, we are going to buy one share. Okay, now this will average down our steps. Okay, this is averaging. So we are going to do it for 15 steps. Okay, 150-second total. You can see the price has been changing, and I'm saving this price into the price data, and my algo is fetching the data from this price. Okay, let me show you this again. So we are on a step number 6. We have bought the share at 1020 and our average price, you can see, check out this, our average price is going down. Okay, now this will run for 15 steps for sure. Let's check out what is happening after 15 steps. So you can run it multiple times and check out whether it is working well or not. This is the best way to work with Algo. Okay, now this kind of a stuff run by many of the HNI clients, even the broker firm run this kind of strategies. So this is one of the algo which basically take stepwise calculation. So you can see the average cost is coming down as we are averaging at every step, and the market is continuously falling. You can see, check out this market is falling. It has started with 1027, so it has come down to almost 3% of the high. Okay, so we keep on averaging. Okay, it's falling. Okay, after 15 steps we have to take action. So we are in loss currently, so this is going to stop for sure. This is going to stop for sure. Okay, we are in a loss of 1% of the capital. Okay, we will run it again as the market was falling down. Okay, so let me run it one more time. Okay, market is still falling, so we can decide whether to run or not. But let's run one more time and try to understand this. So we are again going to take a 15 steps. So it was continuously falling down and still it's falling down because I have created a random price version. This is a random price version. So I don't know whether it is going to go up or whether it is going to go down. But Algo fires a buy and sell signal to this second window, and it buy this, like, see here the buy uh, has happened over here. You can see 992. Over here the buy has happened. Okay, now we are basically, now still we are trending towards negative only, so this is going to make a loss for sure. Okay, but let's run one more time so that we can understand how it works. So logic is very simple. For 15 step we will check out what is happening to the market, and it is showing the worst case scenario. You can see the market is continuously falling down. We can decide by checking the screen whether to go for running this kind of algorithm or not. If market is range bound, for sure it is going to make profit because some price will go down, it keep on averaging. Sometime price go up, it keep on averaging, and we will make profit for sure. So 15 step, we are on average of 989, and the current price is 982. So currently we are in profit till 10 steps. If market go up, then there will be a chance of profit. Okay, 990, 998. Okay, so there's a chance that we might lose this also. So we need to check. Okay, okay. So this is going to stop for sure if it does not come up to 990, because it's gone continuously falling down. Okay, we are in our 15th step. Okay, the price is up. Price is up. Okay. So we are in 0.03 of the loss and stop due to the loss. Even small loss also, we will stop after 15 step. Now you can check out after 15 step, the price is going up. If price go up, then it will divide that into 3 parts. Let's run it one more time and check. Okay, let's take 115 steps. Now the beauty of the algo is it does not work with the emotions. It works with the logic of whether to continue or not to continue. It's very harsh always because it does not check whether you want to continue or not. If there's a loss, it will stop for sure. And if there's a profit, it will run it for 15 steps. Okay, step number 1, we are in profit. Step number 2, we are in profit. Okay, now again the price of averaging and the continuous price changing we need to check. Okay, currently we are in the loss. Let's check what is happening. So the best part of this video recording is we are continuously falling and we are checking our buy algorithm. Worst case scenario, we are checking. So in the first run, we were in the loss of 1% of the capital. Second run, we were in the loss of only minus 0.13% of the total capital. Now, third time we are running it. Okay, market is continuously falling down. It's not ready to come up. Okay, and we are running this strategy and it's showing the worst part of the algo which can be happen. But if it is trending up, then it is going to make the profit like anything, and we can check out even our dividing steps also. So currently we are in 991 and our average price is 990. Okay, let's check. Okay, it has created some error while reading this. Okay, no problem. It's so the you can consider this order has not been executed. Okay, the market has fall like anything. So again, it's very difficult for us to make a profit for sure in this. So you can check out the worst case scenario which has happened over here. The price has started with almost 992 and we are on 997. Again, in step number 13, we are going to make a loss for sure and the algo is going to stop. Okay, let's check what is happening after 15 step. For sure, we are going to stop as is 9985. Okay, so the cycle again, we are in a loss. Okay, let me run it one more time, fourth time. Okay, so great, we have again started. So algo works as per our requirement. Logic again, market is falling. We are running our algorithm. First was 1% loss. The second was minus 1.3% loss. The third was minus 0.6% loss. Okay, so total we are in a loss of almost minus 1.8% of our capital. We are still in a buy mode. So you need to take this. This is basically called as the adaptive trading board. Okay, so we basically taking a stepwise action of buying. And the best part is the market is continuously falling and we are checking all worst case scenario. Okay, so we are running this for fifth time. Okay, let's check what is the averaging. Averaging is 972 and current market price is 970. Still we are in a loss. Seven step. Okay, 993, 990, 992. Sorry, 972. Okay, now currently we are in a profit. I hope it stay above that value for a while so that we can check the second step. And now it's 997, 974, okay, 977, 980. Please stay above 983. Okay, the price is continuously in some range. We are on step number 12. 976, 978. We are above the average till now. Okay, now we are below the average. So it's going to stop for sure. So the best part is we have again made a loss. Okay, now it stopped due to no profit for sure. The sixth time we are running this, we are in a total loss of around more than 2%. It's completely okay. 2% is okay loss, not the big loss. Okay. Share number one is bought at 996. The cycle is in a continuous falling trend. So for sure, our algo is designed for buy mode. So that's why it's continuously making a loss. And we are checking the worst case scenario. This is the sixth cycle we are running. You can check out the averaging which has been happening over here for a 15th step. Very beautifully calculated. And the best part of the recording is it's showing the worst case which can happen to your algo. Worst case happen to your algo. So now if it is continuously going up, it is for sure showing the best part of the algo. But while shooting, the randomized generation of the price make it in a way that it shows the worst case scenario. So I have not done any changes. The price is automatically changing. I have no control over this price. I have control over this algo only. So this price is changing, like it changed from exchanges. Okay. The price is again falling down, and our average is again 953. Beauty of this is we have no control over this. We have only control over this. We have only control over this. Okay, we are in a 12th cycle. We are still in a loss because the price is, average price is 958 and the current price of the market is 956. So 959, okay, 961, okay. So now this order has not been executed. The 14th step is not been executed. Okay, we are in a net profit of 0.16. Now the interesting part is we are starting with a cycle 2. Okay, 6 step was profitable. So now 3 step we are going to take. So the best part is it has shown the worst case scenario. Now it's showing the working of it. So now we are going to take only 3 step. Okay. So now 2 step were profitable. So we are going to take only 1 step. You can see it has made a profit of 0.64. Okay. The net profit is 1%. Okay. After 6 cycle, we have basically reached to our requirement. Okay. Now let me tell you the interesting fact about this. The best part of the recording which has happened to this is we have shown this buying algorithm to the worst case scenario. Market was continuously falling. Now you can see the market is continuously coming up. If I run this, it is going to make a profit for sure. So I hope the algo is very much clear to you. Thank you very much for joining.